News at 10.
Thanks for joining us tonight. It's the news fully vaccinated people have been waiting for.
Yeah, the CDC says fully vaccinated people no longer need to physically distance from others or wear a mask, both outside and inside in most situations. And now Governor Walz announces he will lift the state mask mandate as well. Tonight, we have team coverage beginning with our Noah Kaplan, who has an update since 6 o'clock on the governor's announcement. Noah.
Tom, Caitlin, Governor Tim Walz tells us we can expect him to sign an executive order to lift the mandate tomorrow morning.
It's a good day. It's another one of those moves in Minnesota and across the country of a back towards normalcy.
The CDC's announcement Thursday caught his administration off guard.
We anticipated they would be coming with more guidance around the masking, especially. And keeping in mind, CDC has no mandates. They have recommendations. We've chosen to follow the science, listen to CDC for the most part, and then adapt them to Minnesota that made best. But we didn't get a heads up.
With the mandate being eliminated, a new challenge might be figuring out who is and isn't vaccinated. The governor noted how Minnesotans are capable of making their own decisions, especially when it comes to getting the vaccine.
And I think we're at a point right now where we've asked all along, and now we're really asking that, for people to show respect for their neighbors and the personal responsibility to get this because we have such a large number vaccinated.
Governor Walz continues to urge Minnesotans to take precautions in order to protect others.
Please keep in mind, there are those amongst us, and especially our younger people, that are not authorized to get the vaccine yet. And those that might be immunocompromised, they can't get the vaccine. And so if you're not fully vaccinated and you may be asymptomatic, we want to make sure we're protecting our neighbors again there.
Now, there are some exceptions to the CDC's guidance. The agency says fully vaccinated people should still wear masks while in public transportation, in healthcare settings, or at a business that requires them. Also, those who have compromised immune systems are urged to talk to their doctors before ditching their masks. But the CDC says fully vaccinated people should wear their masks if they develop COVID-19 symptoms. The CDC defines someone as being fully vaccinated if 2 weeks have passed after their second dose in a 2-dose vaccine, or 2 weeks after a single-dose vaccine. We will have to see how that will affect the executive order tomorrow morning. Back to you.
All right, thank you very much, Noah. And so